Maybe you ain't turn around. Maybe it's none of my business. But for now, work it out. Let's get this.
Nobody knows what I'm feeling inside. I find it so stupid, so why should I? And I love to make love to you, baby. So many ways wanna touch you tonight. I'm a big girl, but no secrets this time. And I love to make love to you, baby. This would be a perfect world. Bring me together. Oh my God, just one like this I love. That's what they gonna say. I wanna baby, your fire is lighting me up. The way that you move, boy, is reason enough. And I love to make love to you, baby. I can't behave, oh, I want you so much. Your lips taste like heaven, so why should I stop? Yeah, I love to make love to you, baby. This would be a perfect world. Bring me together. Oh my God, just one like this I love. That's what they gonna say. I wanna
In the world's most beautiful woman. Modern day Hugh Hefner, yes. Playboy to the death, yes. Is she really worldwide? Yes. Mommy, let me open your treasure chest. Play dates, we play mates like kings, snatch queens, checkmate. What you think? This a rumor, I'm really out of this world. Boom, make me comfortable, call me bloomer. Can't even show love, could just sue ya. But I tell them hallelujah, have a blessed day. So ahead of myself, every day's yesterday. On the rest of it, it's real simple. Little bit of obvious, you're open sesame.
Vâng ạ, xin cảm ơn.